Hi everybody, once again, this is Cleanse and Nourish with Susan, and I'm going to share another simple soup recipe which you can use whilst you're cleansing. And this is going to, the name is bell pepper and cayenne soup. Alright, so here I have two chopped up bell peppers. I'm going to put in avocado, and you can add other things that you want. This is just a leftover garden grown tomato, and I'm going to put in some cayenne pepper. This is apple cider vinegar in water. I'm going to put some salt in, and that's what we're going to do. And if you don't want to put the apple cider vinegar in, you can use citric acid. Food grade citric acid, which I've talked about in my other videos. So I'm just going to go straight ahead, and I'm going to pop into the Vitamix, yeah, and I'm just going to put in the apple cider vinegar, water, and I'm going to put in the tomato, and I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. So you can see I'm doing it all, together, and I'm going to put in half an avocado. Ooh, lovely. Which is what really gives you that feeling of, fullness. Right, this might make a little bit of a noise, and I'm just going to blend it, switch it on. We have a lovely thick colour, and it's really nice and thick. And the last thing I'm going to do is add in a little bit of the cayenne pepper. And this cayenne pepper is all the way from Portugal, so it's really hot. It's got bite, but it's really nice with the bell pepper, and the red bell pepper at that. Okay, so I'm going to just give this a little taste, as you do when you're making anything. I always suggest you taste the way through. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it needs a little bit more salt. That bell pepper taste just coming through really nicely. And I'm just going to put a tiny bit more of a kick in it. And let's try that second time round. Okay, so you've got the taste of the bell pepper coming through, and you can always thin it down if you want it, the consistency a lot thinner. You can use spring water, which we just got this morning, and I'm going to pour this into the bowl here, and here it is, and I'm just going to decorate it, as I really always love to decorate it. And I'm just going to put a little bit of basil on there, a little bit of basilicum with these lovely little, and then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper over the top, and there you have cayenne and bell pepper soup. Enjoy.